Hola mi gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I bring you a tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in collaboration with Jackie Aina. I think we can all admire this beauty. She is such a beautiful girl. It is popping. I love that rainbow slash halo effect, and it has like a crocodile pattern on the palette. I did get it at Ulta for $45. Of course, I had bonus points, so I earned some cash buying it. She is beautiful. I'm so glad I picked it up, especially because of the colors. So let me show it. Are you ready for this? I guess the brush wasn't ready. But here it is. Oh my goodness. I hope the camera catches like how beautiful this palette is and how vibrant it is. It did come with a dual-ended brush and a mirror as always with Anastasia palettes, and it comes with 14 shades. Some are matte and some are pressed pigments or more like metallic shades, and they are really beautiful. What I love most about this palette is the versatility of it. You can create like really nice neutral, either cool or warm eyeshadow looks, but you can also make it more glam and also add more color into your look. I think it was a good timing when they released it because it's the perfect palette to transition from summer to fall. I feel like this gives me already fall vibes, but if I still want to keep my looks as more like a summer appropriate, I believe I can use this one too. Today I want to show you this look more appropriate for fall because I'm just so ready for fall. This summer was brutal. There was so much rain coming down to Florida that it was a little annoying. So I feel like I'm just like done with it and I want to transition to fall. So let me know if you're ready for fall as well. And without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Now let me know if you love this look and it gives you amazing fall vibes. And also let me know if you are thinking on picking up the palette or if you haven't and you're trying this tutorial. Now if you want to see more from this channel, I'm going to leave you 2 videos right here so you can check them out. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. I post every Friday at 8 AM Eastern Time. But you can also hit the bell notification button. That way you get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in a bit. Mwah!